Hello everyone. If A is skew symmetric, then A square is so A is skew symmetric ಆದ್ರೆ A power T will be equal to minus A ಅಲ್ವಾ? So A square ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? A square ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? A power T into A power T, which is A power T square ಆಗತ್ತಾ? A power T into A power T ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Minus A into minus A, which is A square. So A power T whole square is equal to A square ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So our option is B, symmetric. Thank you.